Hey y'all, thanks for joining us in this crafty collab hosted by Betty's Scrap Passion on One. So I'm showing you all or some of my Christmas crafting madness. So you know how we gather, we have things in bags and boxes. So I got everything together. I picked up this bin. I got this from Office Supply, and I'll have a haul coming soon of some things I purchased, but I plan to house a lot of my things in here. So in this tub, this bin, I just have all my stickers. I gathered everything I had Christmas that I could find. And in these bins, I got these from Amazon's. And these trays, in this one I have beads and small embellishments and ribbon in that one. And in this was a set of three. This, I have more of the traditional colors, embellishments. I have a little tray there that I got from Dollar Tree, and I have beads and different smaller embellishments in there. So they can stack upon each other. So that's what I like about these. And then this is more of the pastel colored blue, pink, and gold and silver. So they fit in there nicely. So, and then I have this, the faux fur. Always can use that on some projects. So I have that to stick in there. Then what I plan to do, after looking at these, I think I'm going to get a couple more of these. And then we're in a pack of 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to gather all my dies and stamps, and I'm going to put them in a tray and put them in there as well. But that's just sitting there for right now because I'll just put it together. But those are going to go in a tray also. And then all that will fit nicely in this tub, and it just snaps closed. So that's that. So now let me show you how I'm housing all of the paper. So this bin I've had a while. This is my first bin I ever purchased to even start holding Christmas stuff. So I've had it a while, but I'm sure you can find something similar. You want something that's going to fit, 12 by 12 and these iris cases. So in the front, I just have, I have some of my 6x6, which I was surprised I didn't have a lot of 6x6 Christmas pads. So I have those. Then in these cases, I have some of my other collections that I have, ephemera and other pieces, as a whole set. So this is Snow and Cocoa, and you can't even find this anymore, along with some snowflake pieces, which is similar, and they're both from Cray Paper, I think, or Echo Park. And so I put all that together because I feel like if you know what you got, you'll be able to craft, craft more effectively and have more fun doing so. So, and I have some paper, and I found that I actually have some digital printout of this collection, so that I know I have the digital files somewhere, because you can't even get the digital files of these things anymore. So I have all that in one bin, in one case, and I love how they can just fit in here. What I love about these bins because they can fit in here really nicely. So this collection, this is the Santa Baby Sugar Cookie from Prima. And those are similar, so I put those together. And then this bin is Merry Days, similar to what the Mittens and Mistletoe Busy Sidewalks kind of thing. And that's what I find. Things always kind of repeat. And even if you got older collections, you can come back and use them with other. So in here, I actually had a couple project pads I'd forgotten I had. So I got those in there as well. And the rest of my 12 by 12 loose papers I have in here. So I have some different collections. All Wise Men, some others that I got from Echo Park. And let me know if you want to see any of these in detail. But I'm just flipping through. This is one I got from Tuesday morning. Boy, see another set of paper I got from Tuesday. I missed Tuesday. And I have some, some things from Recollections. I think that's Michael's. That's a heartfelt pad. This is just some single sheets. But I like those numbers on it because you can use those for swaps. Then that's Feeling Frosty. I have in these envelopes I got from Idea from Ebony, who's sharing more. I think these envelopes are available at Hobby Lobby. And then I have Making, some others, Making Spirits Bright. This is the Merry Days Busy Sidewalks I was talking about. That's the paper there. And then I have some other collections. Candy Cane Lane, you know, from Frank Garcia Prima. And then these two in the back. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep those or not, but I may destash those later. But so as you can see, they all fit in there nicely. And you know, I even have room to put my other single sheets. I don't know, I may have some other single plain papers I need to add, like these from Tonic. So I'm just gonna sit there, but I have some room if I need to add, and that just closes up like that. And in these other 12 by 12 iris cases of housing some of my larger embellishments, and I got them arranged by color families. So this is more traditional reds and greens. In this particular one, these are more your pastel, your white, pink, blue, pastel colors. And then this is some overflow from that collection, from those. So I have those in there as well. And then these last ones, these are packaging items. These are tags and bags and different cards I may have. And these are just some other cards and tags I had. And I put in those last two. So this is how I'm housing my things. So stay tuned for this collab. This is going to be a lot of fun. I love that I've gotten this stuff organized so I can craft better. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out everybody involved. And I'll see you in the next video.